This is exactly how I was able to fix PlayStation Network sign-in failed on my PS5. So basically what I did firstly is that I went into settings here, as you can see on my PS5, and then in here I went firstly into system right here, as you can see, and then clicked on system software. And then you're going to click on system software, update and settings, and then click on update system software, and then update using internet right here. You need to make sure that your PS5 is up to date. And now when you have done so, then you're going to go back once again to this page right here. So now what you're going to do on this page is to click on users and accounts right here, and then you're going to click on other, and then click on restore licenses. Check all of this right here and click on restore. So check all of your games, of course, that you have on your PS5. And the last thing we have to do is to actually go back into system here once again, and then go back into date and time. And make sure that you're actually here, if you're going to set it manually here, date and time, make sure that it's correct. You need to be like basically like pretty nailed on exactly what kind of date and time it is, just so you know. Because if the day or the year is off here, then most likely your Wi-Fi network or your connection will be very off. It's going to lag a lot, just so you know. So try to fix this. And if it still is not working for you, you're going to go back here and click on network. Then you're going to click on settings and then click on set up internet connection. Then in here, you're going to click on the one that you're connected to, and you're going to click on this button right here. Click on advanced settings. Make sure to switch DNS settings from automatic to manual here, and write like this: primary DNS 1111, secondary DNS 10.0.1, as you can see. So it's just exactly like this, and then click on OK, as you can see. And then it's going to say connecting to the access point here, which is perfect, and then you're going to just wait for it to finish. And now when it's done, you're just going to click on your PS5 logo here on your controller, and then scroll down here, click on power, then click on restart your PS5, and hopefully now it's going to work for you.